Hello guys! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a step-by-step of how I like to do volume. Lash extensions from start to finish. Keep watching until the end of the video. I use a gentle makeup remover, such as micellar water with cotton pads, to wipe down the entire eye area. I do this because I want to make sure that the skin is super clean with no makeup. Next, I'm going to rinse off the lashes with some lukewarm water. Then I'll use a fan to dry off the lashes. And at the same time, I continuously brush the lashes to separate them and to make sure that they can fully dry. Then I am going to apply gel pads to secure the bottom lashes. Then I place the tape and gently lift the eyelids to easily separate the lashes. Then with the tape, I will secure any fine bottom lashes on both corners. Now first, I will apply the primer. First, I will start with the bottom layer. I will use tape to separate the lashes. I will use tweezer to separate the bottom lashes. Always isolate the natural lash first, and with my other hand to pick up the lashes and secure them. Here I am using the 7D lashes for making them fuller. You can see them. I'm always lashing in different sections of lash line from the previous lash that I just attached. I want enough space between them to dry out. See how I evenly applied extension through the lash line, and I go back to different sections and feeling the gaps. I will double check by lifting the eyelids. Better to check if any lashes have stick to the bottom lashes. Once she opens her eyes, you can see that it's actually a shuttle cat eye shape. Inner corners are shorter and gradually transition from the middle section of the eye to the other corner. Let us know in the comments below if you'd like to see more lashing tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.